Are you planning to sell your home and don't know where to start? Well, you're not alone. Many homeowners find themselves in a similar predicament, unsure of how to navigate the complexities of the real estate market. But worry no more. The solution might be simpler than you think: hiring a realtor. Realtors bring to the table a wealth of knowledge and expertise that can make the process seamless. Stay tuned as we explore why hiring a realtor could be the best decision you make when selling your home. Firstly, realtors have expert market knowledge. Now, what does that actually mean for you? Well, mastering the real estate market is no small feat. Trends shift, prices fluctuate, and keeping up with it all can feel like a full-time job. That's where realtors come in. They not only keep their fingers on the pulse of the market, but they also use this knowledge to your advantage. Think about it. When it comes to pricing your home, you want it to be competitive, right? A price that's attractive to buyers yet doesn't undersell your property. Realtors, with their comprehensive understanding of the market, can help you strike that perfect balance. But that's not all. Realtors have an extensive network of connections. These connections can be potential buyers or even other realtors with interested clients. That's right. They can help your home reach the right audience. So, with a realtor, you can be assured that your home is priced right and reaches the right audience. Secondly, realtors know how to prepare your home for sale. You may love the quirky wallpaper in your living room, but a potential buyer might not. Realtors possess a keen understanding of what appeals to buyers, and they can suggest improvements to enhance your home's marketability. Think of them as your personal home stylists, recommending staging techniques that can transform your home into a buyer's dream. But it's not just about aesthetics. Realtors also guide you through the critical yet often daunting process of home inspections and necessary repairs. They know what inspectors look for and can help you address potential issues before they become deal breakers. From replacing that leaky faucet to decluttering your spaces, realtors provide invaluable advice to get your home in top-notch condition. They can even connect you with trusted contractors and service providers. With a realtor, your home will be buyer-ready in no time. Last but not least, realtors handle the negotiation and paperwork. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of that, shall we? When it comes to selling a home, negotiation is key. It's a delicate dance, a balancing act between your interests as a seller and the buyer's offer. Realtors, with their market insight and experience, can negotiate on your behalf to ensure you get the best possible deal. They can interpret market conditions, assess buyer tactics, and provide sound advice on counteroffers. But that's not all. The paperwork involved in selling a home can be overwhelming, to say the least. From disclosure forms to inspection reports, there's a mountain of documents to handle. This is where your realtor truly shines. They understand the complex legal jargon and can guide you through every step, ensuring all paperwork is completed correctly and on time. With a realtor, you can navigate the selling process with ease and confidence. Here's to a smoother, stress-free home selling journey. So, as you can see, realtors offer a wealth of benefits when selling your home. They bring expert market knowledge, help prepare your home for sale, and handle all the negotiation and paperwork. These are just some of the ways realtors make selling a home less stressful and more successful. The journey of selling your home can be a breeze with the right professional by your side. Don't navigate the home selling process alone. Hire a realtor and enjoy a stress-free, successful home sale. Act now and get your home sold with the help of a professional realtor.